What happens when your preparation is strong but your mind is exhausted? When your notes are complete but your focus keeps slipping? When every day begins with intent but ends with fatigue and doubt? This is not a lack of effort, this is overload without inner balance. And no amount of extra study hours can fix a mind that is constantly under pressure. What you need is not more push. What you need is a space to reset, stabilize and rebuild mental clarity. This is what Antarbodh offers, a structured mental well-being program for UPSC aspirants starting 20th July, designed to help you manage stress, improve focus and build emotional resilience throughout your preparation journey. The program includes 12 guided sessions on stress regulation techniques, attention control practices, mindset conditioning and tools to handle exam pressure with clarity and stability. This is not an escape from preparation, it is support for it. To know more or register, visit our website or call us on the given numbers.